Shifting your weight back to the right leg, use the right hand to pull the lady toward you, then lead it behind you, drawing a small circle to initiate the lady's rotation so she will wrap back in her hands. Give her your left hand again to get back into the basket position. Make sure to be really close to each other. You need to have a connection through your hips because we're moving into the lean. Shift your weight to the left leg, look at the lady, then push off the left leg to get back to the vertical position. Loosen up the embrace and taking one step forward with the left leg, raise both your hands, end up with your left side to the audience, then lead both your hands to the sides with a broad circular motion, placing them on the lady's back. Now the lady's perspective. Now get back into the basket position, wrapping in your hand and rotating counterclockwise. Left, right, left. Keep your steps small, keep your back straight. At the end, place your right hand in the man's left hand. We're getting into the lean position, and during this pose there are two very important things to remember. First of all, make sure to stiffen up your entire body. Engage your core muscles. The feeling should be like during a plank exercise, and you should keep your body in a straight line position. Second important thing is to be close to your partner and lean against him with your hips more than with your upper body. During the pose, you can look at each other to make it a bit more romantic. Gentlemen, avoid getting into the pose too rapidly. Try to do it continuously and smoothly. This is going to be easier for the lady. Let's continue with the lady's perspective. Take a small step forward with the right leg. Raise both your arms, continue the rotation, left leg, right one, feet together, end up facing the man and place both your hands on his shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4.